Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, a resource group, and your region. Open the Azure portal and sign in. Once done, use the search bar to find virtual machines. Click Create and choose Resource Manager Deployment. Make sure to pick a supported image and VM size that matches your quota. Select Authentication, SSH key for Linux or password for Windows, and set inbound ports. This gets you directly into the VM creation flow, so you can configure networking and disks next. Now you configure the VM and networking details. You pick an image and VM size, choose SSD for better I/O if performance matters. Next, create or attach a virtual network and subnet, then add a public IP if you need remote access. Configure the network security group to allow only required ports. This protects the instance. Enable boot diagnostics and consider a managed identity for secure credential use. Once these settings look right, review storage and extensions before creating the VM. Finally, review the summary carefully and click Create. Azure will deploy the resources and show progress. Once deployment completes, copy the public IP and connect via SSH or RDP. Make sure the correct key or password is used. Verify the OS boots, install agents or updates, and test your application endpoints. If something goes wrong, check quota limits, NSG rules blocking ports, and any platform error messages in the activity log. Those clues explain most failures and guide the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.